Hey, hi all, good morning. So last class, Friday was the second class or third class for your batch? We started on Wednesday, no? Wednesday was
Third
demo, I
class.
think, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This was demo. Thursday and Friday we have taken two classes so far, correct? Okay, got it. Okay. So far we have discussed create, insert, and then I think where we have discussed, no? Last class
Yes.
we have discussed where,
Yeah.
and then we have discussed these operators we have discussed greater than equal, less than equal, not equal, and or.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this we have discussed. Okay, got it. This is what we have discussed so far. Upper and lower case.
Yes.
String functions are not covered it.
Which functions?
Sorry, I thought that these are the string functions. No, it is not
No.
covered, upper and lower.
Upper and lower we have not covered.
No.
Okay, that's
I guess we have covered upper function. We use the Delhi function and
While
upper we have covered. Yeah, yeah.
in here condition we use that. No?
Okay, not an issue. We will discuss it. Not an issue.
Yeah.
And like operator have we covered?
No.
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 No. Okay. Is null, is not null, we have not covered. These things we have in, not in, we have not covered. No.
No, sir.
Okay, good, got it. So this is the status we have covered this topic so far. Okay. So before I proceed further, do you have any question on the topics what we have discussed last week or any other question? Anyone?
There are a couple of topics I want to check whether you are covering that or not.
Yes, please tell me.
So, do you cover the indexing and
No.
view? Do you cover it?
No, no. I have already mentioned during the demo. Indexing, views, function, procedures, triggers, cursor. We don't cover that on the part of PL SQL.
Okay.
So I have already mentioned that during demo class. So we don't cover those topics.
Okay. And views and materialized view.
No, no.
Good.
Sorry, which thing you told?
View and materialized views that we create on top of
No, that is what view we don't cover.
it. Okay.
If you want, I can tell you the high level what is that if time permits. Okay, but generally that is not in our topic. We have kept that in
Yeah.
a separate PL SQL batch actually.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And I have clearly called out this during my demo class that these things will not cover. Okay. Yeah, any other question?
Sir, in last session we have taken that upper location example, right? Yes. So could you please in short explain that again?
Yeah, sure. I will start with this upper lower again.
Yeah. Okay.
Not an issue. Before this, any question in this topics? Anyone or any assignment question which you want to discuss before I proceed with this?
Not a question, sir, just a doubt. One assignment question was there branch ID, branch HOD, student ID.
Mhm.
In that branch ID, I have kept as an integer. Even I can put voucher also, right? Because it is not.
You can.
Yes,
You can keep that varchar, not an issue.
yes, it was just a question, just create a table branch ID, HOD ID, and student ID. And HOD name and branch name. So it's my wish to create branch ID as a numeric number or voucher. It's not particularly I should put only integer or voucher, right? If the
You
question
can
is
keep
in
that, but it is suggested that if it is number column, you should keep integer. But varchar, if you will keep, that is also fine. It will accept
Uh,
it. Not an
No, sir. Actually, my question is if that program is there, like create a branch ID and a HOD name and a HOD ID. So ID, whenever I see ID, shall I proceed blindly with integer or shall I okay
Yeah.
to go with
You
varchar?
should proceed blindly with integer, but if you're keeping varchar, that is also accepted. But if you will ask me, Tanvir, which one is better option, I will tell go with integer option.
Okay, if integer branch ID should also be a number and student ID also should be a number only, right? Numbers different I should mention, right?
I'm not getting. Can you repeat once again?
Basically branch ID or for example transaction ID, example I'm telling transaction ID or branch ID will be alphanumeric in real
Right.
life. If I see
Then,
the branch, yes sir.
then no discussion. That must be varchar. The story over. If it is alphanumeric, that must be varchar.
Yes, branch ID basically it will be alphanumeric. Transaction ID is
Varchar.
branch. Okay, that's what my question.
That will be varchar. Mandatory varchar.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine, no problem. The daily example, I forgot which example I have shown. So that's why I will take some new example today. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot which data I have prepared that day. So I will take some other example. Daily location was there. No. Okay, let me take this example. And so far we have covered this basic things we have covered. Let's start with upper and lower now. Okay, so here you have this COVID table. I know you don't want to hear this word, but fine. So this is COVID data. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay. Now suppose the requirement is we want to display the data of Delhi location only. Okay. We want to display the data of only Delhi location. So you will apply filter here, correct?
Yeah, where?
And to apply filter, we have this where clause, correct? You know this?
Yes.
And then you will write location equals Delhi, correct?
Yeah. Missing.
Now, do you think is this the correct output?
No.
Beside of where there is upper and in close bracket location should be
beside.
mentioned.
Okay, is this correct output? Yes or no?
No, no.
No. Why?
Because only we having the uppercase Delhi. Our big
Because data is case sensitive, so
yeah.
in where condition we have given Delhi in
Delhi.
capital letters, so it gives the result as Delhi in capitals only.
Okay, good. So I have shown this result. Suppose I am working as a data analyst. Okay. So I have shown this output to my management team. Let's say this is the data of Delhi. They have raised a concern that then do you think this is the complete picture? I will tell them that no, this is not the complete picture. We have two more data of Delhi, that is Delhi for the Tuesday the number was 200, Delhi Wednesday the number was 300. Then my management asked that why you're not showing the data of this Tuesday and Wednesday for Delhi location. Got it? I told sir it is because the data in SQL is case sensitive. I have written here Delhi all in uppercase. Please listen very carefully, everyone. I have written Delhi all in uppercase. So the data will show me only that Delhi location where everything is in uppercase. Got it? If you want this Delhi data, then you have to write this value here. Correct? I got this Delhi of Tuesday. If you want this data, then you have to write Delhi all in lowercase. So this proves that your data is case sensitive in SQL. Is this clear first of all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This proves that data is case
Yes, sir.
sensitive. But your table name, your column name, do you think are
No.
they also case sensitive?
No.
No, it is not case sensitive. You can write here this location even in uppercase. Your wish, you will get the same output. You're getting the same output. Correct?
Yes.
So hope it is clear so far. Data.
Yes.
So Bruce, what you're doing? Yeah, you're doing drawing on the board. Please don't do that. What not have to delete this? Okay. So data is case sensitive. You should not. You should be careful while using this. So far clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I told to my management that sir, data is case sensitive, so that's why I cannot do anything. If you want lowercase Delhi, you have to use this query. If you want uppercase Delhi, then you have to use this query. Correct? You got this uppercase Delhi. If you want Delhi in this proper format, then you have to use this query. Clear? So it means we have to use 3 different queries. Okay. But my management is telling that no, Tanvir, you have to solve this in one query only. We don't know what is your SQL, what is case sensitive, because they are functional people, right? They are business stakeholder. They're not technical people. They don't know what is SQL, what is the limitation, what is case sensitive, what is not case sensitive, right? So they're asking you to write a query so that it should cater to all the records, whether it is case sensitive or not. Hope the question is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for that, we have this upper keyword. Upper location. You can write this in any case. Just I'm writing this in lowercase. You can write in any case, lower, upper. But I have a habit of writing this reserved keyword, table name, column name, all in lowercase. So that's why I'm maintaining it. I'm running this query. Please tell me, is this the correct output what you're looking for?
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So what you understood from this, whenever you want to do case insensitive search, you have to write uppercase, and everything should be in upper. You'll get the data. Any question?
Sir, it means internally it will convert all these data into the uppercase and then it will give the result. It is the meaning of that.
Internal working I will explain in some time. I hope it is clear that if you want all the data, have used this query,
Yes.
and you could see that we have all the data of Delhi location in all the cases. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay, Now let's try to understand how the engine is processing it. So this is the data of your COVID table. 31st November. So this is your COVID data. And I have used which query? I have used this query. Now let's try to understand how this query is getting executed. Which keyword will be executed first?
From.
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 So it means you want data from this COVID table, correct? So engine will make a copy of it in the temporary memory. So here it is your COVID table. Clear so far?
Yes.
And the order of execution is, you don't have to mug up this, don't buy hard this. From, join, on, where, grouped by, aggregate, having, window, select, distinct, order by, limit. From is done. After from, which keyword you will execute?
Where?
Where. Okay. So in where you have written upper location. Okay. So in where you have written upper locations, the moment engine will come here, engine will understand that, okay, I have to convert the location column in uppercase. So the meaning of upper is you are telling SQL engine to convert data in uppercase. Which column data you want to convert in uppercase?
Location.
Location. So your SQL engine will do this activity. It will convert all your location data in uppercase. 1 minute. Okay. Can you please check all your location data is converted in uppercase, yes or no?
Yes.
Any questions so far?
Sir,
Any?
this is for our knowledge, right? It is not mandatory to remember the internal process of program.
Your wish, but I will suggest you should know it. It is not mandatory, but it is important.
Okay.
This will help you when you're writing complex SQL queries.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm teaching this internal working.
Yeah.
For each and every keyword, what we'll be studying down the line, you have to understand how the engine is working. That will help you in writing complex queries actually.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So far clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the function of upper keyword? It will just convert the data in uppercase. That's all. Okay.
Yeah.
After that, you have written upper location equals daily. So it means you will compare this data with daily now. Correct?
Yes.
Tell me, are this both case same?
Yes.
Yes. This is also daily, same case. This is also daily, same case. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Now, this data you are getting from which record? Getting this from this record, correct?
Yes.
Similarly, you're getting this data from this record. Getting this data from this record. So finally, then we will select this record in the output. And that's why if you will check, this is the output. Got it?
Yes.
Is this clear how it works internally, your uppercase?
Yes.
Now tell me one thing, if it is clear, I have converted everything in uppercase here, right? Then why still this location is in some of the data is in uppercase, then lowercase, then mixed case? It should all be in uppercase, no? I have converted here everything in uppercase.
Because the values which we are inserted in data, it is in a few of them in upper, few of them mixed, few of them in lower. That's
But
why.
here I converted, no? I converted everything in uppercase because we have used upper keyword. Then it should be converted and it should be displayed all in uppercase, right?
No, the actual data in the table is still the
I
old
think,
one. Right? When
I
we are
think,
comparing, then only we are forcefully asking it to upper.
I think in when this upper function is applied on the temporary table, and that's
This
why.
correct, you are right. This upper what I have applied, this is applied on this temporary table. We have not done anything in your parent table. We have not done anything in the parent table, right? This was done in the temporary table, this conversion. And from this temporary table, then corresponding data we are fetching. So don't think that if I'm using upper, this values in the parent table will be converted in uppercase. No, it is not like that. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if it is clear, tell me one thing. If it is clear, tell me one thing. If I will write this query, then sorry, then what will be the output if I'm writing this query?
No data found.
No data found. Any other thought?
Even if it is case sensitive, it will turn it into capital.
Tell me what data you will get. You will get some data, you will not get any data.
You will get
not
the
get.
data.
No,
You get the data.
No, we will not
No.
get that.
no data. We
Not
don't get.
No data. Okay. Okay, let's analyze this. Okay. So from will be executed first. We'll be having this table, correct? Fine. After this, which keyword? Upper location, right?
Yeah.
You will
I
convert
believe
everything.
we'll get the same data.
You believe you will get the same data. Okay, let's check. We'll convert everything in uppercase.
No
Let's
data.
check it. Let's try to understand first. So far clear? We converted everything in uppercase. Okay. Now you're comparing this upper location with which data? This
Temporary.
Delhi,
Delhi.
right?
Delhi.
Lowercase Delhi, correct?
Yes.
Are this both data same?
No.
No.
Is this Delhi same as this Delhi?
No.
No.
Is this Delhi same as this Delhi?
No.
No.
Mumbai is not same as Delhi. This Mumbai is not same as Delhi. This Mumbai is not same as Delhi. Then now tell me, you got any matching record?
No.
No. What will be the output?
No data found.
Hope it is clear now.
Yes.
Please verify the data now. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what you understood net, whenever you're using upper, this value has to be in uppercase, then only you will get the data. If you are keeping in any other case, it will show you no data found. Now tell me one thing, if I will write like this, then what will be the output?
No data found.
No.
No data found.
No data found. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what we understood, if you are using upper, you have to write everything in uppercase.
Yeah.
Sir,
Any question? Oh yeah.
then like upper, can we use here lower for the Delhi, which is
I
like
will.
given as in small letters?
I will come to lower after this.
Okay, fine.
Okay, no problem. So hope it is clear so far. You understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever someone is asking you to do case insensitive search, you have to write the upper keyword, and hope you understood how internally the engine works. Suppose if I would have taught you this only, that for upper, write everything in uppercase. And if in interview, you will get this question, any of this. And if you don't know the internal working, you will be confused, right? So that's why internal working of engine is very important for you to understand. Okay. Now, proceeding further. Now the same question, I have one more technique to solve it. That technique is, I will use here lower, okay. First observe the output. Tell me, is this the correct output what you're looking for?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So here in this example, I have used upper, I got the output. Here I have used lower, even then I got the output. But here what I have done?
All are small.
You were
Data
written
is
with
all
the
are
small
small.
letters.
All is in lowercase, and here when I have used, everything was in uppercase. Clear?
Yes.
So what you understood, when you're using upper keyword, you have to keep everything in uppercase. When you're using lower keyword, you have to keep everything in lowercase. Okay.
Mm.
Now this one, you guys have to explain me how the engine is executing it. Okay. Now come on. This is your query. And this is your data. Okay, now come on, tell me. From is done. After that, where, correct?
Yeah. Lower.
Yes.
And where you have told lower location, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Lower location means what?
Small.
Location. Table.
All are small.
Location, all
Comparing
All
with
are
all
in
Delhi.
lowercase.
in lowercase.
So you're asking engine to convert the location all in lowercase, right?
Lowercase. Yeah.
So please verify, is it converted all in lowercase?
Yes.
Yes.
So far clear?
Yeah.
Now you are comparing this with this lowercase Delhi, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
So are they both same?
Yes.
Yes. This and this, they both are same?
Yes.
Yes. This and this, they both are same?
Yes.
Yes. And this data you're getting from this corresponding data,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So finally, you will get, this is an output. Clear?
Yes.
So hope you understood this, guys.
Yes.
Okay, now if you have understood this, then same question I have again. If I will write it like this, then what will be the output?
No data found.
Any other thought? What do you think, guys? What should be the output for this?
No data found.
No data found. Okay. Same, and you can verify this same way how I have taught you here. In upper, I have written everything in lowercase, no data found. In lower, I have written everything in uppercase, no data found. Hope this upper and lower is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Shall we proceed further then?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. And please go on mute, guys. There's some background noise is coming. Okay, thank you. Now the next data is I have not taught order by, right?
Yeah, before order by, sir, just a last
Oh.
question. Just before you
Yes.
mentioned in interview, if someone is asking, write a program in care insensitive, which you explained to examples lower and upper. If
Hmm.
someone is directly asking, write a program which is sensitive. So directly, without any doubt, whatever sensitive columns are there, we have to pull out one by one. In one go, we cannot pull, like if it is in Delhi capital letters all or Delhi small letters all or.
Correct.
Okay.
If they're telling case sensitive, you have to pull one by one.
Okay. Thank you. That's my doubt.
Okay. No problem.
Sir, if there is a question like pull all the states which are in lower case, how we can write the query for that?
Pull all the states which are in lowercase, all the values in lowercase.
Yes.
Okay. So give me one minute and let me complete this. Okay. You mean you want all the data in lowercase?
Yes. The states which are in the lower case.
Okay. So 1 minute. Then I thought of covering order by, but that's a good question you have asked. Let me jump to that question first of all. Create table states. Good question. Actually, we have this question in our assignment. Let me cover this now. Suppose Delhi, although it is not a states, it's fine. Kerala. What I have done here. Oh, create table streets.
In create table, it is name watcher as okay. It is balancing now as per the conversation, but it is location watcher, right? In create table.
Location. I have not used location anywhere.
No. In create table states close bracket, you mention name watcher. We can put location watcher, right?
No, but location I have not used anywhere in this table. I have kept this name column. I have not used location.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the data US states have, and the question is you want to fetch only those states which is in lowercase, right?
Yes.
That is the question I think someone asked. So any idea what you will do here? Anyone? you all know the answer. The question is, I want to fetch those states in which all the characters are in lowercase.
Okay, select star from states where
Hmm.
values where
Select star
values
from lower states.
Kerala and Gujarat.
No, you
No,
will
no.
hard. You don't have to hard code. No, Kerala and Gujarat. You cannot hard code.
Select star from lower
Here,
states.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. You told that you will use this name equals Kerala, right?
Kerala and Gujarat.
Or you should not use and here. Or Gujarat. So in this case, you are hard coding. You will get the value. I agree.
Okay.
But you are hard coding value here. That is not allowed in SQL. Suppose if you have 1,000 states or cities of world, 1,000, and from that you have to pick. Then how you will search all those 1,000 and you will do it?
Yeah, it is difficult in this format.
So that is not allowed. So for this, what we will do, we will first of all convert everything in lowercase. And then we will map this with the name column. Verify the output, then I will explain this to you. You got Kerala and Gujarat as output?
Yes.
Now let's try to understand what is happening here. So in this data, I have written this query. Where is the query? Where is this? I have written this query, right? You are telling where lower name. It means you want to convert the name into the lowercase. So we converted all the name in lowercase. Got it?
Yes.
Then I'm comparing this with which value?
Temporary table.
Name,
Name only.
the values
I'm-
which are in the name
Uh-huh.
column.
Which is in the name column. This I'm comparing this with this with this with this with this. So do you think this both are same?
No,
No. You think this both are same?
yes,
Yes. Similarly, this is not same and this is also same.
same.
That's why you will get Kerala and Gujarat in the output. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Samir, can we use like where name equals to lower name or the other way
Both
around?
are same. Both are same.
Yeah,
You can use
okay.
that as well. You can try that as well. Okay, now I'm starting the order by clause.
Like one more question.
Yes.
How can we query for which contains the lowercase and the in the name? We contain lowercase and the uppercase. I need to get the states which are containing the lowercase and the uppercase also. Like if you see Delhi, DL is there, right? Like that.
Okay. So is it your question that first character should be in uppercase? Is that your question?
Any character should be in the uppercase, but the word, the name contains
I
both
got it.
uppercase.
Okay. I got it. It means you are telling that if I have, suppose this example. Suppose this example. Right? Like this. If some
Yes.
city or state, if it has mixed case, right?
Yes.
You want to fetch all these things, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I need to only get the
So,
mixed case.
So for this, actually, what we have to do, first of all, from this, you have to pick all the cities which is in lowercase, everything. Okay. And then the one which has everything in uppercase. And then I will teach you not in or minus operator. Then from that, you have to minus this cities, and automatically you will get the city which has mixed case. So just give me some time when we will discuss not in operator or minus operator, then I will explain this question.
Okay.
Hope it is fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then. Okay. So now you have this employee table, and these are the values 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. Do you think this value is sorted in ascending order?
No,
Do you think this is in descending order?
no.
No.
No. So now this is the requirement. Many times you want the data to be in either ascending or descending, right?
Yes.
So it is neither in ascending, it is neither in descending order. So the requirement is to sort this in ascending order. Okay. So for that, I'll write order by. The moment engine will see order by, this is a reserved keyword. Engine will understand that user is telling me to sort the data. Okay. Then engine will ask you that on which column you want to sort. I have mentioned ID column. Then engine will ask you ascending or descending. I have written ASC. ASC means ascending. Now verify the output. Is this sorted in ascending order now?
Yes.
Clear? Any question?
No.
No?
Sorry, your voice not audible.
Okay, yeah. So now if they're asking to sort this in descending order, not ascending, then you have to write DESC.
Yeah.
Now check the output. Is this sorted in descending order?
Right.
You guys understood what is order by?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. ASC means ascending order, DSC means descending order. Very simple.
Yes.
Okay, if I will not write ASC, I forgot to write ASC. Okay, now I'm executing it.
By default, it will
this is-
take ascending.
Or it will take
Oh.
ascending order.
So if you have not mentioned anything, by default, engine will consider it as an ascending order. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, okay, now I've created this employee table again. Please go on mute, guys. So now in this, I'm writing this query. First of all, tell me the meaning of this query. What is the meaning?
To paste the details in order by name.
In which order?
Ascending.
Please verify the output. Do you think this is in ascending order? Name?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
alphabetically, yes.
Alphabetically.
A comes first. So that is why Abdul is displayed first. Then D, David. Then J, John. Then R, Raj. Then S, Suresh. Clear?
Yes. And one more
Oh.
thing here itself, I want to inform you, sir. Just the previous section which you explained about this ascending, descending. Like Abdul you written, I have written like Amar also. Like initial name is A only, initial alphabet is name only. When I create a program. Second alphabet preference it took because both are starting with name. Second alphabet Abdul, B is first, then M. So first it took Abdul, second it took Amar in this case. So is it correct?
We will come to that after this discussion.
Okay.
That's the next discussion actually. Are you done? Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what about this? What you understood here?
Descending.
Name is sorted in descending order.
Yes.
Clear, everyone? So you can sort it in ascending order, you can sort in descending order, you can sort the column which is having numbers or integers, you can sort the column which has alphabets. Clear to everyone? Any questions? Any question, anyone?
Clear.
Like
Clear?
one question, Tanvir, like it will
Yes.
arrange based, if you given a string, it will arrange based on the first character, right?
First character, yes.
Is there any option we can decide no, I don't want the first character, I need to order it by the second or third character. Is there any option to more define on based on which character we can order by?
You can do that as well, but for that, when I will teach you substring function, then we can handle it. But yes, we can do that. We have that option available. Okay. Okay. Now for this data. Okay, here let's start from employee order by. Tell me, this will be sorted in ascending order or descending order?
Ascending order.
Very first
Ascending order.
order
First
by
name. First
Oh.
name.
very first this.
Please
Yeah.
verify this. It is in ascending order,
Okay.
correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, if it is in ascending order, tell me one thing. Why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh? Although they both have Asif, right?
Last name also considered as a ascending order.
Oh, I have not mentioned anything about last name here. Correct? Last name is not there, no? I have not mentioned
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
Then tell me why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh, although they both have first name Asif.
Sequence wise, no.
Because
No.
he found
No,
first
no.
name of Asif Khan in the from the table. That's why he's taking.
See, when you have first name which is conflicting means if two records have the exactly same first name, then that is the wish of SQL engine. It can pick anyone at the top, another after this. There's a concept of row ID, but that I don't want to teach now. That we'll discuss at the very last. So that is why for the time being, you can understand it is totally the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anything at the top. Clear?
Yes.
Similarly, now before this, tell me one thing. In Abdul, first character is A. In Asif, also first character is A. Then why you're displaying Abdul at the top?
Because second word preference is
Second
given
one
to
is
the
given.
B.
So whenever two records have the same first character, then engine will go to the next character, and the next character is B, and next character is S. So B comes before S. That is why we have displayed Abdul first and then Asif. Is this clear?
Yes.
So first of all, your engine will check the first character. If the first character you are unable to decide, then engine will jump to the next character. Even if next character we are unable to decide, then engine will jump to the third character. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Any question, anyone?
There is no limitation to take out the output in the sequence to choose the character if the first, second, third characters are mixed.
There is no limitation, correct?
Okay.
Yes. No limitation. Any other question? Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
I'm just getting response from one person. Is this clear, everyone? You understood, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Yeah, tell me. Okay. So now the requirement is that Tanvir, it is fine. You are displaying Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh. You told that they both have Asif, and then you told that it is the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anyone at the top. So that's why Asif Khan is at the top. But no, I want to keep Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan. Suppose this is the requirement. You got it?
Yes.
I want to display Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan. Then for this use case, what I will do, I will write here comma, last name descending. I will tell you what is the meaning of it. Just hold on. Just verify the output first of all. Is this what you're looking for? Verify the output.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try to understand the meaning of this query. Okay. From this query, actually, I'm telling to SQL engine that SQL first of all sort based on the first name. Okay, it will sort based on the first name. If in first name you are getting two records in which there is a conflict. Conflict means they both have same data. They both have same data. In that case, check the last name, then go to the last name, and then sort it based on the descending order. Which column? Last name. So now see Asif Sheikh and Asif Khan, they both have same first name. Clear?
Yes.
So now what your engine will do, it will check the last name. So what is the last name of Asif? It is Sheikh. This Asif, it is Khan.
Yes.
So in descending order, S will come first, then K. So that is why we are displaying Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, it means the first name column will be in ascending order and the last name column will be in descending order, right?
You are right. Good analysis. Correct. So you see first name is in ascending order. Last name will be in descending order only when there is a conflict with the first name, then only. Here Asif, there is a conflict. Then last name for this two will be in descending order. Don't think that overall last name will be in descending order. No. If overall last name is in descending order, then Sheikh should be at the top now.
Yes.
The engine will run the first name first, and I think so.
Correct. Engine will first of all sort on the first name. Okay.
Okay.
If there is a conflict in the first name, then it will decide based on the last name and in descending order.
Okay.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, if it is clear, then tell me one thing. Raj Kumar, Raj Kishore, they both have Raj in the first name, right?
Yes.
Then why you are displaying Raj Kumar before Raj Kishore?
Because second name of
Descending.
Second name is
you
second alpha.
Descending.
Secondly,
KK is
last
conflicting.
name.
That we are taking a second alphabet. U and I.
Good, because first name there's a conflict. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
There's a conflict. In case of conflict, what we have told to SQL engine?
Last
go to
name.
last
It
name.
will use the
Yes.
last name.
Go to
In
last name.
December format.
In last name, December.
I mean, sorry, descending
Descending.
format. I'm sorry.
Okay. In last name, the first character is K and this is also K. Are you able to decide based on this?
No.
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 No. Then what you will do?
Second.
Before the
letter
second
will
element.
be considered.
Then you will go to the second one, right?
Yeah.
So what is the second character here?
U and I.
U.
You and I.
It is I. Which one will come first in descending
U.
order?
U.
You.
U. And that is why you're displaying Rajkumar and then Rajkishore. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understood how order by works?
Yes.
Like
Okay.
one question, if both are
Yes.
Rajkumar and Rajkumar, then what will happen?
Then nothing will happen. They both are same. You keep anyone at the top. They both are same. It's duplicate data.
Like two different IDs are same, but both names are Rajkumar. Then
Until and unless integer is identified 1 or 2, it will display the same.
Let me show you that example. 1 minute. This is what you're telling, right? You have two Rajkumar.
yes, yes.
Correct. Same thing. They both are Rajkumar. So here you see this Raj, there's a conflict. Then engine will go to the last name column in descending order, right? So last name, again, this is K, this is K, this is K. We are able to decide. Then next, this is U. This is U. They both are same. So you can keep anyone at the top. They both are same data, exactly same. Doesn't make any sense. Then after this, you will be having Rajkishore. Okay. But if your question is this, suppose if this is your question, salary INT, 1 minute. Good question you have asked. Job table employee. Now suppose if for this data I have inserted salary column as well. Okay. Now for this data, same query, I'm getting this Rajkumar and Rajkumar, right? Can you tell me why why this Rajkumar 150 is displayed before Rajkumar 100?
Descending order, taken the integer very first preference because both are same Rajkumar.
No, but that I have not mentioned. No? Descending order integer, have I mentioned that in query?
I think it is a SQL engines which
Yeah, correct. You see, engine has observed here the name is Raj, okay, and then it has went to the last name descending. Based on the last name descending, Rajkumar, and then Rajkishore. Then my question is why Rajkumar 150 is above Rajkumar 100? So after this, there is no deciding factor. Then it is the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anything at the top. That is why randomly it has kept Rajkumar 150 above Rajkumar 100. But now if your question is that Tanveer, even if the last name there is a conflict, in this use case, you see first name and last name, they are conflict, right? Correct now?
Yes.
Yes.
So in the last name as well, if you have a conflict, then I want to display, then I want to consider salary column as a deciding factor, and that must be in ascending order. Then what you have to do, then write comma, salary, ascending. It means even if last name not able to judge, then consider the salary column, but here it should be in ascending order. Now check the output. Now tell me what you understood from this.
Salary as consider in this case as a ascending order because both are Rajkumar and same. SQL decided to arrange the program in ascending by salary.
Okay, clear guys?
Yeah.
Hope I answered your question.
Then one
Yeah,
question.
Hmm.
For the previous query, it didn't mention the salary by ascending.
Mhm.
Then we get a query like 150 above.
Correct.
50 above, 100 down. But as per the as per the SQL machine, if we don't mention any like ascending or descending, it should take the ascending as a ascending. But in that case, why we get 150 as a starting one, 100 and below?
We did not
Oh,
mention
okay,
the schema also here, no salary. That's why I think.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me explain. Good question. So you're asking that, Tanvir, here, if you have not mentioned, it works ascending order by default. So 100 should be at the top and then 150. Correct?
Yes,
That is your
yes,
question.
yes.
You are right. But actually, see here, I have not mentioned anything about salary column itself. Have I mentioned anything about salary column here? No.
No.
Nothing.
So actually, don't think that engine is sorting based on the salary in ascending. No, it is not like that. I have not mentioned anything about salary. Once I will write just salary, I will not write ascending or descending. Then it means by default it will sort the salary in ascending order. Then now if I will run this, you say the salary is in ascending order or not? 100 is on the top, then 150 for Rajkumar.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Clear.
No, 1 minute. The one who has asked, I'm asking.
My question, like we mentioned the first name and last name based on which factor, like 150 and without mentioning salary, 150 and 100 is decent because first name and last name are same. Based on which factor, the 150 gets up and the 100 down comes below. Like.
Okay. 1 minute. You're asking for this query, you're asking that Tanvir, why this Rajkumar 150 is on top and then Rajkumar 100. This is your question, right?
Yes.
Okay, correct. So here you see, actually, we told engine to sort based on the first name. So we have Raj here. Then last name. So there's a conflict with Raj, so engine will go to the last name. But again, last name is also same, correct? Now, after this, have I mentioned anything about to SQL engine that even if last name there is a conflict, what to do? Have I mentioned anything here?
Nothing.
No, I have not mentioned anything. Then that is totally the wish of SQL engine. It can keep anything at the top. There is no logic that why Rajkumar 150 is at the top and then Rajkumar 100. Okay. There's no logic. Actually, there's a concept of row ID. There is a logic, but I don't want to cover it now. But that is for the timing, you can understand there is no such logic. Clear?
Okay.
Now, if you're telling that no, Tanvir, my requirement is if the first name there is a conflict, even for the last name there is a conflict, then consider salary column and in ascending order. Suppose, then I will write comma salary. Okay, so it means I'm telling to SQL engine, first of all, sort based on the first name. If for 2 records we have same first name, then consider last name for those 2 records. Even if last name is same, then consider salary column, but in ascending order. So now if you will check the output, you have first name, last name, and salary is in ascending order. Hope it is clear.
Yes, then.
Hope it is clear, guys, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if it is clear, tell me one thing. This salary is in which order?
Ascending.
Ascending order. But do you think this salary column is in ascending order?
No, there is no order.
It's not in ascending order, neither in descending order. Then how it is working? I mentioned salary in ascending order, but this is not in ascending order, no?
But this salary column will be used only when there is a conflict in first name and last name.
Yeah.
Good, very good. The salary column will come into picture only when there is a conflict with the first name and last name column. Then only it will come. It is like a Supreme Court judge. It is like a High Court judge, like that. Then the flow is like that. Clear?
Engine will execute one time. First name, after that last name. That
correct. Engine will start with this first name. If first name all the values are unique, then it will never go to last name and salary. No need to go there. Like if your case is sorted in lower court, you will never go to higher courts like High Court or Supreme Court, right? Exactly like that only. Hope it is clear.
Yes, and if first name comma last name beside that descending, if we remove and just click on submit that statement, then it will choose by default ascending.
This one you're telling.
Yes, salary
Yes,
if you,
yes.
okay,
It will take it by default ascending. You are correct.
okay.
Okay. Clear, guys?
Sir, one thing,
Uh-huh.
here, we have given order by first name, last name and salary. So it is not mandatory na, to give the, for last name or salary, to give the particular order like descending or ascending.
Can you repeat your question once?
Now we have given here, order by first name, last name and salary, right? So
right.
my question, is, it is not mandatory enough to mention it, descending order for last name or as salary for salary descending.
No, that is based on your use case. That is based on your business requirement.
Okay.
If they are telling that if the first name there is a conflict, then I want to sort based on last name descending, then you have to write descending here. Okay, that is based on your business requirement. Okay.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
I have shown you all the flavors. It means you can use descending, ascending, whatever you want, you can use that.
Okay, it means that
Others-
while working on the live job, we need to check the data. If it is
Ah.
conflicting, then we need to use this, all the columns in order.
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
No, not data. You have to check the requirement. What is the requirement? And accordingly, you have to do. Like suppose if I'm writing here descending. Now tell me the meaning of this query. First of all, you will consider which column for sorting.
For first name, we will
First
set
name.
the descending order.
Descending order. Now 1 minute. Check the output. Is the first name is descending order now?
Yeah.
Then you are telling if in first name the values are conflicting, it means duplicate, then go to last name.
Last
But in which order? Ascending order. So then it will
Yes.
go to the last name in ascending order. So see Kishore is on the top, then Kumar. Again here Rajkumar 100, 150, there is a conflict. Then you are telling go to salary. But in which order? Ascending order. That is why 100 is at the top, then 150. Clear?
Yes, got it. Sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I want to show you a few more examples. Guys, please go on mute. Input values. Okay. Just tell me one thing. I'm not asking the output. I'm asking what is the meaning of this query.
Order by value in ascending.
So I'm telling here engine to sort the data in ascending order of value. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm running this query now. No, I will not run this. You tell me what should be the output, guys. Which one will come first?
Value
Zero.
definitely 9 first
Zero.
preference. 0
9.
is there. I mean
Zero.
says 0. Okay, fine.
0.
Yeah, 0.
Okay, then
9.
9.
9, then
Small a,
small a, then
capital A,
capital A, then
small z and capital Z.
Z.
okay. Fine. Can you tell me why you told 0?
Your voice. Hello. Sir, your
Come
voice
on.
not audible.
My voice is not audible. Hello.
Now it's came.
Why you told 0 to be on top? Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay.
I think zero's ASCII value is lower than other.
Okay. Let's check the output of this engine. Got the same output or different output? Please verify.
Different.
Bit different, right? Okay. Anyway, 0 is on the top, then you have 9, then you have uppercase A, then you have uppercase Z, then you have lowercase a, then you have lowercase z. Correct? Now the question is why uppercase A is displayed, then uppercase Z, then lowercase a, then lowercase z. This is the question. Correct?
Yes.
Based on the ASCII values.
Correct. Yeah. We'll discuss it now. Select ASCII. I know this is a new concept for, I'm not sure many of you or a few of you, but let's try to understand this. ASCII of 0 is 48. ASCII of 9 is 57. ASCII of uppercase A is 65. ASCII of uppercase Z is 90. ASCII of lowercase a is 97. ASCII of lowercase z is 122. Now you might be thinking that what Tanvir is doing, what is this dual? Ignore all these things, okay? I will explain you after some time what is dual and all the system. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, okay? For each and every character, they have a code word, okay, or they have a numbers assigned to them. So if you write in here 0, the ASCII of 0 is 48. There is no logic for this. ASCII of 9 is 57. ASCII of uppercase A is 65. Similarly, all these values. Actually, internally, what happens when you're asking SQL engine to sort this in ascending order? First of all, not only for this data, even if you're working for this data, Raj Kishore and all those things. First of all, it converts everything in ASCII. Got it? So it will convert all this data in ASCII. So the ASCII value is this one. Now it will do sorting based on these values, the ASCII value. In this order by ascending, which one will come first? 48? Correct?
Yes.
No? 48 means 0. So that's why you check here. 0 is at the top. 0 is at the top. After 48, 57. That is 9. That is why you have 9 here. After 57, 65. It means uppercase A. That's why you have uppercase A here. After 65, you have 90. It means uppercase Z. That's why you have uppercase Z here. And then 97 means lowercase a. Then you have lowercase a. Then 122, lowercase z. You have lowercase z. Is this clear?
Tanvir,
Hmm.
are these ASCII values standard values, right?
The standard values. They are
Okay.
constant values. Okay, hope it is clear. Clear, guys? Any question? If I will write descending, then what will be the output?
So small alphabets will come up and middle it will be same and numbers will become bottom.
Capital chart comes first.
Clear? Lowercase is at the top, then uppercase, then numbers. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes, but you have
Yes,
not created a
yes.
table like create table dual and insert, but directly select. You have got the result.
No,
Where you are
table
telling?
is created, no?
Table.
This table input we
Okay.
have created now.
Star
He's
from
asking about the dual table.
dual.
Dual, ignore it. I will tell you after some time. I told you at that time.
Okay.
Can ignore it for the timing, okay? Okay. Any other question?
Hmm.
Is it clear, guys? Shall I proceed further?
Like
Yeah.
Tanvir,
Yes, sir.
one question, Tanvir.
Ah,
In the
yeah.
values we give z, right? We give z, and like if we
Hmm.
give z based on which factor it gives, like za, and if we give by order by value descending, will it consider the same thing like Raj or ASCII values based on which thing?
You mean this lowercase z and uppercase z you are telling?
Not that. If we
Oh, if
insert
I have duplicate.
I see.
Oh, if I have duplicate, which one you want me to insert duplicate? Tell me, lowercase z or uppercase z?
Like anything is fine.
Anything is fine. Okay, let me insert lowercase z. Okay, no, not lowercase. I will take uppercase. Lowercase will come. I've inserted uppercase z duplicate, right? This is what you are telling. Okay. Check the output. They both are together
Okay.
because they both have same ASCII value.
Yes. ASCII value both are so. Okay.
Got it?
I got it.
Okay. Any other question, guys? Anyone?
One more thing. Like if we give the like a number plus character, then what will be the ASCII value? How we can will it will decide like if string
Alphanumeric you are telling?
Yes.
Same thing. It will check the first character. What is the ASCII? Okay. Let me insert one value. Good question. 1 minute. Let me insert one value for this. Suppose it is 1A. Okay. And then I have another value A1. Okay. Now check the data. Descending I have done here. So in descending, why A1 is displayed first and then 1A? Because first character A ASCII is higher than
Value.
this one.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Clear.
And that's why first it is playing A1 and then 1A. Same way it is working, no special behavior. It will check the first character. First character is A. What is the ASCII of uppercase A? 65. Correct? What is the value of 1? 1 is 49. After it will 14, it will be 49. That is why A1 is displayed on the top and then 1A. Is this clear or not?
It's clear. And in the 74 line, we give the integer 9, right? In the why we like 9, can we convert that like a string part, and can we both are different values for the string and the integer for ASCII value?
Oh, okay, got it. You are telling this one, right?
9.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, a string I have not out so far. Okay. But that is fine. Check the value.
Okay.
Same, no?
Same.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. For the integer and for the alpha, like if you consider the codes, will get string, right? Both are the same for ASCII value.
Both are same.
How
Correct.
that
Both
possible?
have.
Like, but one is integer, one is a character kind of thing, right? If you give.
No, but it is checking the ASCII, and ASCII is nowhere related to that integer or character or string. That will come into picture when you're doing the calculations.
Like I'm
Here
not
ask,
like here one we are sending in zero. Zero is like an integer. ASCII value don't consider as an integer or string.
no,
Like
it will not consider that.
differentiation.
No, it
Okay.
works on characters. Characters. 0 is one character. Uppercase A is one character. Lowercase A is one character.
Okay. Okay.
ASCII will
character.
give you value based on characters.
Yes, yes. If you say that character, then why we are not putting zero in the quotes? Like zero will be also in the character, right?
You can keep it.
Okay.
You can keep this.
Okay, okay, that's fine. ASCII will consider every as a character. If
Yes, yes.
don't know numbers, it will consider as a character. That's fine.
Hope it's clear.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now I'm proceeding further. Hope you understood this. Now I have a country table and I have this name values here. Okay. Select the star from country. Oh, sorry, bad example. Okay. So here you have this country table and this is the name of the country. Okay. I'm sorting this first of all in ascending order. So I will write here order by name. Correct. Please verify, is this in ascending order?
Yes.
Is this in ascending order, guys?
Yes.
Correct. You all agree, right?
Yes.
Okay, if I will write descending, do you think this is in descending order?
Yes.
Clear so far?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Many a times, like when you will fill online form, online application form, some other form, you will see that they will ask the nationality, right, or the country of origin, and there will be a drill down button will be there. You will click on that, and then you will scroll down. You will search for the country India. Hope you all have observed that, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Digital.
Correct.
Drop down button.
And many times you will see that by default India will be at the top. You don't have to search it, right? You will click there. Not sure how many of you have observed that. So India will be at the top and the remaining
Yes.
countries in ascending order, because maybe they know that most of the participants are from India. That's why they will keep India at the top. So similar requirement here we have. We want to keep India at the top. Tell me, should I use order by name ascending or descending? If I'm using descending, I'm getting Sri Lanka at the top. If I'm using ascending, this one, I'm getting China at the top. Are you getting India at the top in either of this case?
No.
No. But that is the requirement. We want India to be displayed at the top. Is the question clear, first of all?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So in this case, what we will now listen very carefully. This is a little bit complicated. Okay. Hope the question is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ignore whatever I'm writing. Explain you all these things. Don't worry. Just observe the output. Don't look at the query. Is India at the top now?
Yes.
Yes.
And apart from India, all other countries, they're following which order?
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending order.
So we achieved the requirement, right? We want to display India at the top and all other countries in ascending order. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now we'll try to understand this query, how it is working. Okay. So this was the country table. And this is your country table. I will try to explain you how this piece of code which I have written is working here. This is the code I have written, right? So which keyword will be executed first?
From.
From.
From. From. So you will take a copy of this table, right?
Yes.
From is done. After from, which keyword?
When case.
Order
When.
by.
Order by. After from, you will go to order by,
Order by.
because you don't have these keywords in your query. Do you have any of this?
No.
No, you have select. Okay, sorry, select I missed. Then you will go to select, right? Correct?
Yes. Yes.
In select, you have written a star. It means you want all the columns. You have this column. Okay. I selected this data. So you will select, you will get this, correct? This is the one. So from is done, select is also done. Clear?
Yeah.
Now after select, order by. Okay. In order by, what you are telling? You have given a condition. This case is known as a condition. Okay. So what you are telling, read till here only. Here you are telling case. Case means scenario or the situation when name is equal to India, then 1, right? So the meaning of this is, in this data, wherever you have India, keep that in a bucket 1. So I will create a bucket here. This is your bucket. Keep this in bucket number 1. This is the meaning of case when name is equal to India, then 1. It means pick India from here and keep that in the bucket, which is the number 1. Is it clear so far?
Yes.
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 So after that, what you have mentioned, else 2. What is the meaning of else? Apart from that, right? The dictionary meaning of else is apart from that, or the remaining one, correct?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
So apart from India, what all the remaining countries you have? You have this values. Correct? And then you have written else 2. It means you want to keep this remaining countries in the second bucket. This is your second bucket, right? This is your bucket number 2. Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Any question, anyone?
No.
No question. Good. Now then you have written end. So this is actually the syntax. When you will start with case, you have to write India at the last. If you will not write it, it will throw error message. And then background noise is there. 1 minute. Not all. Okay. So far you understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now in ascending order, if now you have to sort this bucket in ascending order. So in ascending order, which bucket you will keep at the top?
First one.
Bucket number 1, correct?
Yes.
So let's keep this bucket at the top. Inside this we have India. Then below this you will keep second bucket.
China.
Okay. Inside this you have this China. I'm not told anything about the data. I'm just sorting the bucket. The first bucket is at the top. Then you have second bucket. Clear? This is bucket number 1. This is your bucket number 2. Is this clear?
Yeah. Understand.
Any questions so far?
It is clear, but as you mentioned, case when name equal to India, then one else to end. By default, it took India, and then after, when you're not mentioning any ascending or descending, the bucket, whatever Sri Lanka, Nepal is appearing, it should come output it in the format first preference given to China. Correct, sir?
That I am not covered now. You give me some time, I will come to that.
Okay.
I'm not sorting data. I'm sorting bucket here.
Fine.
I kept bucket number 1 at the top, then bucket number 2 after that. Within that bucket data, I have not sorted it now.
Okay.
I'm just sorting the buckets. Is it clear?
Clear.
Any question, anyone? No question? Okay, so I have written end here. It means the case part is done. Okay. So till here we are done. We understood this. After this, you have written name at the last. This name, correct?
Yes.
The meaning of this, now listen very carefully. The meaning of this name is you are telling engine to go inside each and every bucket. Go inside bucket number 1. Go inside bucket number 2. Now, what all data you have inside this bucket, now sort it in which order, ascending or descending?
If there is no
Ascending
ascending,
order.
Ascending.
yes,
Ascending.
ascending.
Ascending order. So now what your engine will do, it will, let me keep it here. It will go to bucket number 1. In bucket number 1, how many countries you have? Only one country. So there
Yeah.
is no meaning of sorting it. It will keep it as it is. In bucket number 2, if it will do the sorting based on ascending, which country will be
China.
displayed first? China. Then Nepal. Then Pakistan. Then Russia. Then Sri Lanka. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now this is your final output. Please verify it here. Okay, please verify this. You got the same output, guys? Oh, this is not tested correctly. Good. 1 minute. Hold that button. Okay. Okay. Can you verify you got the same output? India, China, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia, Sri Lanka. Please verify it.
Yes.
So you understood, guys, how this is working here? This query.
Yes.
Yes.
Any question?
Sir, here in this case statement, we can use the multiple conditions also, no?
Yes, I will show you that example maybe tomorrow. You
Okay.
can use multiple condition, and this case is not for order by. This case is a generic concept. I will show you how to use case in select, how to use case in your aggregate functions, how to use case in window functions. This is used at multiple places. Okay.
And one more, this is 1 and 2 we have given. So it is just for the to understand the SQL engine, no? For bucket 1 and bucket 2, right?
Correct, correct. You're right. See, I will do one thing here. Good question. Suppose I will write here 5 and this one like maybe 9, something random number I've taken. Okay. Now let's analyze this query. Now this is the query. So you will keep India in which bucket? Bucket
5.
number 5. Okay. Suppose this is the bucket and this bucket number is 5. Inside this we have India. Okay. Then this bucket is your bucket number 9. Inside this you have this values. Now which bucket you will keep first in sorting?
5.
5 or 9? 5. So this bucket will be kept first here. This bucket has a value India. You will keep it here. Then bucket number 9 you will keep. This bucket has this values. Got it? Again, India is coming at the top.
Yes.
And then you have name at the last, so it will sort this values. So again, you will get the same output. Check it. Getting the same values here. Is this clear?
Yes.
Clear to everyone?
Numeric number very first India, then whatever we are giving, it should be lower than the compared to else. Right, sir?
Correct, correct.
Either it
Now-
not be in order like 1 else 2 or 2 else
Yeah, it
3.
is not mandatory.
Okay, random.
Random. Suppose now my question is, I want to display India at the bottom. Then tell me then what you will do. Who will answer this?
We'll change the bucket number.
9
Good,
else
good.
5.
I will keep this as 9 and I will keep this as a 5. Now check the output. India is at the bottom.
Yes.
Why? Because we kept India in bucket number 9 now, right?
Yes.
Bucket number 9 will be displayed after bucket number 5, and that is why India is at the bottom. Clear?
Yes.
Any question, anyone? Okay, tell me, if I will write here 95, this one as 50, then what will be the output?
Same.
Same.
India is present in which bucket?
95.
95. And all other countries is in which bucket?
50.
50.
50.
So when you will sort it, 95 will be at bottom. So it means 95 has India. India will be displayed at the bottom. Verify the output. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I will keep here 105, then
Same.
same.
India will top.
India will be at the
India
top.
will be on top.
India will be on top.
Yes.
Got
India.
it? Clear? Now, suppose the requirement is I want to keep India on the top and all other countries in descending order. Then what you will do?
95 else 105 end comma name descending.
Name descending.
Okay, good. Verify the output.
Yes.
Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, here it's yes, it is clear. And India, we are discussing totally about India now, first reference. What if I want India and Russia first reference? Like India, now you are explained it is coming very first. If I want Russia and India together and remaining
Okay.
all are descending or ascending.
Okay. Hope this one is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So now the question is, I want to display India and then at the second position, Russia, and then all of the countries in ascending order. I think that's the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone understood the question. Hope the question is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes. Before this, tell me one thing. Have I covered in operator?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No, no.
No, I have not covered. No, that is what I was doing. Okay, not an issue. In operator means, suppose if I write here India, comma Russia. So the meaning of in operator means you are telling that if India is present, take India. If Russia is present, take Russia. If both are present, take both of them. This is known as in operator. Not clear. I think it is not clear. See,
It's clear.
no, this is not clear. I think to many. I will write like this. Understood?
Yes.
Is it clear, guys? In operator? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will write here Japan. Do you have Japan in our country list?
No.
Now tell me what will be the output.
No data found.
It will written Indian.
It
India
will
and
show
Russia.
India and Russia.
I told you, no, like it will check if India is present, it will display India. If Russia is present, it will display Russia. If Japan is present, it will display Japan. Whatever is present, it will display it. If a value is not present, not an issue. Correct? Exactly like suppose I went to a shop and I want to buy shirt. I told them that I want Peter England or Levi's or Wrangler shirt. Suppose they don't have Wrangler. So what do you think? They will show me Peter England and Levi's shirt or not?
They will show.
They will show me at least whatever they have. Correct? You agree,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
So I'm running it. It has India and Russia in stock. It has shown me that. Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, I'm telling India and Russia. Keep that in which bucket? 95. And all other countries in the bucket 105. And then sort it in ascending order. Now check the output. Is this clear?
Tanvir,
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Can we put India and Russia in the same cell of column and then reflect rest of the other countries' name after these two countries?
Can you repeat your question once? India and Russia?
Can we put India and Russia in the same cell of column? Then rest of the other countries will be reflecting in this
Oh, okay. You want to keep India and Russia in one cell.
in one cell.
That's a different use case actually.
Hmm.
For that, either I have to teach you that pivot function, or maybe this can be done using joins, or maybe we
Okay.
can use a lead function. Then
Okay.
we can do that.
Sure.
Okay, but yes,
Definitely.
we can do that.
Hmm.
We have to use all those good use case, but we have to
Okay.
use those. Do you know lead function?
Which function?
Lead. Now I'm just telling you, if you know lead function, through that you have to shift this Russia to the top position, and then all
Okay.
the countries it is sorted. Or else if you don't know, not an issue. When we'll discuss lead function, LEAD, lead, and then we
LEAD.
can discuss. Yeah,
Okay.
I think it is there in
I
our
don't.
topic. This one I'm telling.
Okay. I don't know lead function. Lead function in
Not an
the
issue.
yeah.
Leave it. When we come to that, we'll discuss it. Okay. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Now, coming back to our original question. I need 5 more minutes and then I will stop the session for today. Then suppose if I have this use case is clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Clear to everyone, correct? Yes? Okay. India will be displayed at the top or bottom for this
Top.
use case? Top, okay. Now if I will write this one, listen very carefully and then answer. Don't be in a hurry. Now tell me, if I will execute this query, then
India will go bottom because
India
ASIC
will be- ASIC
it will be high.
ASIC value, yeah.
ASCII value of lowercase a is how much? I think 97 I have kept. 97 or 98? 97.
97.
And for uppercase a is 65. So actually this query will be transformed in this query by engine. Lowercase a 97 and this will be 65, I told, no?
Yeah.
65. Now you tell me where India will go.
India will go bottom.
Bottom?
At the bottom.
Yes.
Check the output. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I will stop the session now. So I will give you 3 assignment questions today based on this. And then we will continue the session tomorrow. Okay. Fine then, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye.